Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix can't log in problem on Duolingo. So let's get started. At first, we need to make sure the app is updated. So let's go to Play Store and search for Duolingo. And on the right, we can see this open button over here. If your app is not updated, you will be able to see update button over here. Simply tap on this and update the app. After that, we can go to settings, search for apps. So here it is. Now go to Duolingo. So here it is. Now scroll down to storage and click on clear cache. Also, you can clear data. Click on delete. And if you get back, now next step you can do is you can also update your mobile software if it is not updated. After doing this, your problem of not able to log in to Duolingo will be solved. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.